Today is 25th of December 2024. Third installation of the crystals inside the structure of the building. Today, 600 tons of concrete, but green concrete, will be implemented inside the structure, together with 102 crystals, around 600 kilos of 14 different types: moonstone, lapis lazuli, aquamarine, malachite, rose quartz, agate, black tourmaline. All of these crystals will be inside our structure to help our future residents celebrate life with their well-being and longevity. Christmas time, be with your families. Love from us and from Eywa. Eywa, the most health-conscious, sustainable and unique building on Earth.